skills from lower order to higher order thinking, which is remember, understand, apply, analyze, evaluate, and create. So remember is the lowest level involving recall and of facts and basic concepts. Question number 5, which type of assessment is conducted to identify learning difficulties and provide remedial support? A, summative assessment, B, diagnostic assessment, C, placement assessment, and D, criterion reference assessment. Answer is B, diagnostic assessment. Diagnostic assessment is designed to identify specific learning difficulties, gaps, or misconceptions in a student's understanding. It helps teachers to plan remedial teaching, targeted interventions to address the challenges before moving forward. Question number 6, in the context of CCE, comprehensive means A, assessment should cover all subjects only. B, assessment should cover all aspects of learners' development, including cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains. C, assessment should be done once in a year. D, assessment should include only written test. Answer is B, assessment should cover all aspects of learner development, including cognitive, affective, and psychomotor domains. Comprehensive in CCE refers assessing whole child, covering not just cognitive or academic achievements, but also affective, which includes attitudes, values, and emotions, and psychomotor includes physical skills, creativity domains. This aligns with the Panchkosha holistic development model emphasized in NCFFS 2022. Question number 7, what is the primary purpose of grading in CCE system? A, to rank students against each other. B, to reduce stress and anxiety by minimizing closed numerical differentiation. C, to make easier for teacher to mark answer sheets. D, to identify only top performing students. Answer is to reduce the stress and anxiety by minimizing closed numerical differentiations. Grading in CCE is designed to reduce the stress and anxiety associated with numerical differentiations like 82% versus 83%. It uses broader categories grades to describe performance, making assessment more learner-friendly and less comprehensive, less competitive. Question number 8, which of the following is a characteristic of criterion reference assessment? A, it compares a student's performance with other students. B,